With your new vehicle's multimedia system, you can use Google address searches for navigation. To take full advantage of this, you just need to activate the services and authorize data collection from your vehicle. How do you use this service? Just go to the navigation menu and type in the address search bar. The results are the same as if you had done your search in Google Maps. The information is reliable and it smartly autofills your entry. Even if your vehicle is unable to connect to the network and won't give you access to the Google search engine, don't worry. The onboard navigation system will display any results available in your maps. You now know about the Google Address Search service, designed to make your everyday navigating easier. Have a great journey.